So this is what my newly repaired monitor from Acer, which I got back 2 days ago and just plugged in today, now does. So if I have a stopwatch here that I click start on, and we just leave it for about a minute or so. Dum-de-dum. The monitor just powers off like that. Although the screen is on, the on-screen display completely unresponsive. And what I actually have to do is pull the power out and push it back in. Before the screen will come back on. This is a £2,000 monitor from Acer that's already spent more time in their repair shop than has been in my office. And Acer are still quibbling with me about now sending this back for a refund.